So right now I'm hanging out at the downtown DC hostel. If you come here, you gotta stay here, man. Shit's great. Really friendly staff. A lot to do. I'm watching Sin City while my electronics charge up. I was about to go, but I have to finish this movie. You guys seen Sin City too? It's great. By great, I mean it's entertaining, but like not very well written. You know. Okay, so it's currently 1:41. My train leaves at 4. Gotta go see Lincoln though first. Very important. I want to make it work.
Fucking Washington. Lincoln's right up those steps. It's kind of beautiful, I'm not gonna lie.
Hanging with my awesome new friends. Dude, we're gonna hang out. We're gonna hang out in Vienna, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna hang out in Austria. It's gonna be cool. Don't miss that episode. That's gonna be the good one. Like, come on, look at these people. How could you not have fun with them? Like,
we are so trustworthy.
Nah, it's cool. Like, what do they drink in Austria? What's the drink of choice?
Wine.
All the just beer and wine?
No, yeah, well, schnapps.
Schnapps, okay. Schnapps is the national Austrian beer. I just like it.
I just wanna play my role with you.
I like
Can
it.
I make it all for you? Yeah, I just wanna make up.
Are you over here by the... This dude took literally forever. What the fuck? What the fuck? I better not miss this goddamn train.
No more messing up your makeup. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Tell me how you feeling, baby. I'ma keep it real and tell you that you are like I. Catching all these feelings lately. 2016 and it's time to shoot my shot. I ain't even trying, I know. Tears always running out.